Hello everyone, welcome to Penyu Podcast Unyu. This is me Nihal and
Safira,
Marvita,
Farah.
we will talk about many things, but today theme is horror story.
I can't wait to hear your story.
Come on, who want to tell the story first?
I want to tell a story. Because yesterday I read a horror story on TikTok
Wow.
and thought it was a really unique story. I read it, guys.
Okay, hurry up and tell your story, Farah.
Okay, have you ever heard of it is said that if we break our tradition, it's not just you who get in the impact, but the people around you will get it too.
I think I have got that before. Why indeed?
Yes, in one village, it's a famous for urban legend, which is related to women who are widows.
Wait,
What is a urban legend?
So, an urban legend is a folklore that is famous in certain local communities. More of like is made.
What does this have to do with without woman?
So there is tradition there. If a woman is a widow within a period of 16 days, before 16 days, she must be ruat. Because to prevent her from calamities, not only she experience it, but all the village will experience it too.
what are the consequences experienced by women who are widowed?
Okay, so talks were influenced, so that she always had the desire to commit suicide. This incident happened if the widowed woman was not ruat. While the impact for local residents were the village would experience drought, crop failure, and livestock dying mercilessly. FYI, Ruat is like a ceremony to get rid of evil and save something from a nuisance. Well, in the village, there are people who believe it or not, right? Because Ruatan itself requires a lot of money. But when the residents named Sari got married but could last long because there was a problem that really could be resolved. Well, Sari discovered a husband and automatically became a widow. Due to economic factors, Sari families request to be renovated several days after Sari had the status of a widow.
Yes.
Yeah. Disaster began to befall Sari and the village she lived in. One of the appears the figure of Pocong Sarti.
Pocong.
Yes, Pocong, who has haunted the residents of the entire village.
I know the story. That Pocong which has another name, Pocong Bosok.
Well,
Right?
yes, that's true.
Yes.
Pocong Bosok.
I want to continue the story.
Okay. Come on.
So the story is that there was a girl with a very beautiful face in her village.
Yes.
Her name was Sarti.
Sarti.
Yes.
Yeah.
Long short story, Sarti married a boss in her village. Because Sarti had a very beautiful face, many men liked her because of her beauty. Yes.
Yeah.
One day, Sarti was left by her husband working outside the city. So, Sarti was left alone at home with her maid. Because many residents know that the boss is out of town, including men who like Sarti beauty. Finally, in the evening, the men come to Sarti house. Well, the maid already know that a group of men had come, and this maid I want to tell Sarti, but it turned out that her life had already been killed by a group of men.
Wow.
But the man been killed of the man.
Yes.
So what does that mean?
Well, the man managed to rape Sarti until finally Sarti became pregnant from that man. Sarti was afraid to tell her husband until finally her husband became suspicious of Sarti's daily behavior. Her husband but from another guy.
Wow. Does that mean Sarti was raped because of her beauty? If sure, I'm sure that because a woman's beauty can make a man crazy. The point killing people and raping women who are currently married, then that's so crazy of the man.
Yes, it's so crazy. Her husband was so angry with Sarti. In the end, Sarti told him the truth, but her husband was so hurt that finally Sarti was taken to the backyard and put in shackles with her own husband. This husband had the heart to cut open her stomach. It was clear that Sarti was pregnant all the time. After being cut open, the baby in her stomach was torn and Sarti died on the spot.
So the story of Sari and Sarti are related, right?
I think yes, because Sarti doesn't like men who was women like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, that's right. That's how it's related.
Wow.
After the incident where Sarti and her baby, what next? Is this Sarti hunting local residents?
Yes, he wandered around and then haunts local residents because he died in an inappropriate way. Well, this Sarti is called pocong bosok because it is said that every time the Sarti appears, he has his own unique smell. But the smell is not pleasant and local residents say it is in his stomach area. There are maggot because it may have something to do with Sarti. Would it because her stomach was torn open by her husband?
Wow, this story is really exciting and crazy. And there are also matches that we can take for our daily lives.
Yes, the first time I heard it, I was immediately shocked. It is so crazy.
Crazy.
It's really serious.
Okay, the story is really beyond reason.
Stop. That's enough for fun podcast this time. Thank you for watching and see you the next
Next video. Bye bye.
Memories.